Imagine having the power to create, collaborate, and innovate from anywhere on any device. Microsoft 365 makes it possible. With Microsoft 365, you get the latest version of Office, Windows 10, and best-in-class security. You'll have access to Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, making you unstoppable. Plus, with OneDrive, your files will be securely stored in the cloud and accessible from anywhere. Store any type of file, including images, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. But that's not all. Microsoft Teams transforms collaboration, making it easy to connect, share, and achieve more together. Work collaboratively from anywhere on any device with Microsoft 365. And with Microsoft 365, you'll also have access to a range of innovative Microsoft products, including Azure for cloud computing, Dynamics for customer relationship management, Power BI for business analytics, SharePoint for secure content management, Yammer for social networking and collaboration, Planner for task management and organization, Stream for video sharing and management, Visual Studio for coding and app development, Microsoft Defender for advanced threat protection, and many more. Additionally, Microsoft 365 introduces Copilot, your AI-powered productivity assistant. Copilot helps you automate tasks, generate content, and focus on what matters most. Unlock the full potential of Microsoft's ecosystem and take your productivity, collaboration, and innovation to the next level with Microsoft 365.